Presenting the K&S Grindstone Tower. K&S built the 150-foot four-sided tower on Grindstone Mountain near Elko, Nevada, to accommodate a multitude of communications equipment for its customers. At 7,300 feet, this site is located strategically just south of Interstate 80 and slightly southwest of the town of Elko. The mountaintop has historically been a key communication site for the surrounding area, but is plagued by limited capacity. That problem has been solved. The tower was built in 2016 and is 150 feet tall. The tower is secured by private land access surrounding it. The building under the tower is always locked, and the building and tower have PTZ cameras mounted on them for live and recorded video. The building equipment gets its power from the local utility. In addition, the site has a backup generator in case of an outage. Power utilization at the building is less than 50% of capacity, so adding additional equipment is not an issue. This tower has space for 20 4-foot microwave dishes, plus 16 20-foot Omni antennas, or any specific equipment to satisfy your needs. Please contact K&S to discuss specifics.